Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When you're using a curling wand, you want to make sure that you're holding it vertical with the smallest end pointed down. A curling iron is much more flexible. You can hold it horizontally if you're looking to get more volume at the root.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You are turning your curling iron heat up too high. There can be too much of a good thing. When you use an extreme amount of heat, e.g. 400+ degrees, on the hair to curl it, you may actually make the cuticle, the hair's outer layer, slam shut and flatten so much that it refuses to hold a bend.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Wrap 1-inch sections of hair around the iron, holding longer than you think you would need to, then release the curl into your palm for a few seconds while it cools. You can also clip each warm coil to your head to really make sure your hair holds the curl, though it will take you a bit more time.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The general rule is the shorter the hair, the smaller the curling iron. Smaller curling irons will create more waves than larger ones, since your hair can wrap around a smaller curling iron more times. Short hair, try a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch curling iron for tighter curls and a 1-inch curling iron for looser curls.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.